I want to share this super easy strategy with you, which will help you to earn $2,000 on Binomo right now. Today, I've chosen Binomo Broker for trading, but I usually prefer Pocket Option, the best and the most solvent broker in my opinion. The link is in the description, so are you ready to start making money? Let's get our way to success started. Hello, my dear friends. On your request, today I'm trading on this platform. In this video, you'll learn how to make the $1,000 trading on one simple strategy. Don't worry if you're not an all on the market, because every person watching this video can figure out the strategy. I'll analyze concrete examples in simple words so everyone can understand. We'll see in which cases we should open a deal and when it's better to wait. So now, in a real-time mode, I run a trading session and earn $2,000. Are you ready? We get started. First of all, we apply the required tools on the chart. We click Indicators button in the left lower corner and choose Parabolic SAR indicator in the list. We leave basic inputs and click Apply button. We do the same thing with MACD indicator. So after that, two indicators are shown on the chart and on their signals we're trading. Let's analyze each indicator and figure out which information we need to search for. The first indicator is parabolic SAR. It helps us to determine the reversive points of the trend. It works pretty simple. When parabolic points are lower than the price, it is a signal that the trend will be likely changed to the growth. And when the points are above the price, it speaks of the possibility of trends reverse down. The second indicator, MACD, is shown as a histogram and shows the difference between two moving averages. In other words, when histogram is above zero line, it means the potential growth of the prices, and when it's lower, on their fall. Meanwhile, the first deal for today is successfully closed in a profit as we see the strategy works, so let's find out when we should open a deal. Guys, here I found an awesome example of entering a deal with higher. If you see, in the end of the downtrend, indicator parabolic SAR shows the first several points at the bottom. It's the first sign the trend is going to be finished soon. Then we need to wait for the histogram MACD intersects the zero line from bottom to top. It is a confirmation of our signal and we need to sell long this time. We see in our case, this is what's happening on the chart. Both indicators give green signal of the uptrends coming, and this is why we opened the deal right here. And great, now it's closed, bringing us another $4,044 of profit. As for the deal with lower, the case is similar but vice versa. In other words, parabolic SAR is supposed to show the first points at the top, and MACD should intersect the zero line from top to bottom. In this case, we need to consider deals with lower. And as for us, aside from those two signals, the price is also near a great resistance zone. We see earlier, after entering this zone, we used to start a downtrend. And this is why I'm expecting this tendency to remain. But unfortunately, our deal is closed at a loss, and as you see on the last seconds, the price went against us. So now we open a covering deal with 1,000 as a bet amount. And direction is down also. Analysis stays the same with one application. There's some small break into the price formation, and on this falls there's an unbalanced price formation. And we also see the price has already reached this higher border of this peak. This way we formed the break, was fully covered, and I'm expecting the price to definitely start the downtrend and the signal should work out. And as we see, the price finally moved following the deal's direction. This way we just earned $1,810, $1,500 of which is the sum of the deals which we opened in this case, and $310 a profit which we've got. Guys, while our fourth deal is in process, I'd like to remind you that the time frameworks are also a very important aspect of any strategy. Today's expiration time is equal to the time frame. So if we're using 5 minutes candles, then we should open a deal with 5 minutes as expiration time. If the time frame is 3 minutes, then the deal is 3 minutes as well. In my case, the deal was opened for 1 minute because one candle is equal to 1 minute. Let me remind you, once again, it's important to consider time frames for an effectiveness of the strategy. And as soon as you've managed your chart, you need to wait for both indicator to provide a signal in the same direction. In this case, we see parabolic SAR indicator provides the first point at the bottom and MACD indicator intersects the zero border from bottom to top. So, the deal with higher was open, but as we see, it was just closed at a loss, unfortunately. In this case, I'm making the bet amount 2 times bigger and open a deal to the same direction. And I'm doing it very confident because there's a really good support level here. And now I'm taking my chance to remind you how important it is to use risk management properly in your trading. Don't open a deal with the whole balance as a bet amount, leave a chance for yourself to cover the loss. And here's the deal's result. As expected, the price moved just as we wanted. It brought us $372 of net profit on this currency pair. Great! So guys, we've opening the 5th deal, the last one for today. Let's try to sell short this time. We see the signals from both indicators telling us the price is going to lower very soon, and it is parabolic SAR showing the first points at the top and MACD histogram intersects the zero line from top to bottom. Also, aside from these signals, we see the price in this triangle right now. We see the movement of the price is becoming less and less. And we also see the price is breaking the lower border of this triangle through. And considering both indicators gives us a great signal of the possible prices decrease, I'm expecting the support level to be broken through and the start of a good downtrend. So guys, we can summarize, I guess. I think it's obvious this deal will be closed in a profit. So just in 10 minutes, we managed to earn $2,000. Just imagine what would happen if you could repeat all of these signals after me. So we earned together today. By the way, I'm running a free trading session in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Follow it if you want to repeat after me. And I wish you big luck. Bye bye.